Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Westjet meal voucher. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to westjet.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys register to Westjet if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the flights, vacations, offers, and we have book a flight where you can actually go and book your own flight. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use WestJet meal voucher. So basically the question is, if I receive a food voucher, can I use it in the purchased food on board? Well, vouchers cannot be used to purchase items on board. Food vouchers are only accepted at participating food vendors in the airport terminal. So basically, with the voucher, you cannot eat or use it in the airport, in the actual airplane. You can just use it when you're waiting for your airplane to go on the all of the terminals of the, of course, airplane, the WestJet air planes. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that's be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.